Reality and love are almost contradictory for me.
Oh God. One of those guys, right?
No, it's my fault only. I've never found the right man. But what does it mean, the right man? Tell me. Like, who decides who's the right man? And just living with someone completes you. Like, that concept is so absurd. Now, I don't even make an effort from the start because I know it's not gonna work out.
You can't live your life trying to, avoid all this pain.
Listen, I don't need you to lecture me right now, okay? दादा एक काम कीजिए, अब गाड़ी रोक दीजिए, हम इधर ही निकल जाते हैं.
दादा आप चलिए. Don't get out.
You know it's being around you.
Hey, just listen.
Don't touch me, okay? दादा आप प्लीज गाड़ी रोक दीजिए, उधर टैक्सी मिल जाएगा, हम उधर ही रुक जाएंगे.
दादा आप चलिए ना. Just listen to me, okay? I thought you forgot me. I'm just so happy to be with you here right now. I'm just so glad you didn't forget me.
I didn't, okay? And it makes me so angry. Like you come to India all romantic and stuff with your fucking ring and all engaged.
It's not my engagement
I
ring.
don't care.
You want me to take this off? I'll take this off.
I
I'll
don't
take
care
this
about
off. I'll
this.
take this off.
I don't care about your ring, man. It's about that moment. That moment which is gone forever.
Yeah, so it's the same for me, okay? It's not like it's something different for me. You're talking as if, as if it didn't matter to me. It mattered to you alone. It's not that, right? And you don't even remember half of it.
Of course I did. Yeah. I did. I mean, I do.
Really?
Yeah. Why can't you believe that?
You said you don't remember we made love.
Yeah, women pretend that all the time.
Okay. I still like you. Even though you have become this, I don't know, angry, maniac, depressive activist. I like being with you.
I'm sorry, I don't know what happened. I had to let it all out. I mean, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have.
You think your life is bad. You don't know what's going on in my life. It's miserable, okay? I'm miserable. I don't feel any excitement, no passion, no romanticism. There's no magic left. You know. No, you don't have to be sorry. I'm just telling you. You know what that feels like. And you're talking about this ring. About me being engaged. It was nice, but there was this point of time where we would just fight, yeah. We are at this dinner table and we are having dinner and all I could hear is the sound of cutlery. I didn't want my life to be like that, no? My life right now is 24/7 bad. This is missing. This thing is missing. And then for me, love was just an act of commitment. But love is not that. Love is much more.
Why are you telling me all of this?
I shouldn't have. I'm sorry. Damn. Whoa. This was intense. It's fine. Both our lives suck.
Yeah, thank God.
Yeah, but you're happy that mine sucks more.
Yeah, kinda. It makes me feel better. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I think we are almost there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, just there.
You live here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, my employers pamper me a lot.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
This is a new resort next
Okay.
to my garden.
Okay.
So, this.
This is great. So, you feel relieved that, my life is, more deep shit than yours.
Yeah, you made me feel way better about myself. Thank
Yeah?
you.
I'm glad.
No, I'm just kidding. I wish you all the best. Just because I have a shitty love life and a family life, I want everyone else to be doomed.
You know something? I think you will make a great mother someday.
Yeah?
Hmm?
You think so?
Hmm?
Thanks. I don't mind fat babies.
Yeah? A few antidepressants will be just fine.
Hey. Okay. I want to try this.
What?
It's an experiment.
Okay.
I just want to see, if we remain standing or we dissolve into molecules.
This is incredible. This is your house.
Yeah.
You live here.
Yeah. Come. They shifted me here because it's closer to my garden.
Acha.
Yeah. Is it true about your dreams, or did you just say that to get into my pants?
To get into your pants.
Does it work?
Yeah, it works. Most of the times.
दीदी क्या हो रहा है? पार्टी हो रहा है? हमको नहीं बुलाया. हम आए?
Hello.
Come.
You're going to play me one of your songs, right?
A song.
Hmm.
And the airport,
I'll
the flight.
see. Anyway, I'll be going there and hoping that I'll be waiting there and hoping you played me one of your songs. One song. Please.
One song.
One song.
Welcome to my pad.
It's very cozy.
Yeah. Tea?
Yep.
Okay.
Is that you?
What?
That the hot girl in the pic?
Oh, the hot girl? Yeah, that's definitely me. Who else?
I really like your room, yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's very cozy. It's very sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, listen now.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just go freshen up. If that's okay, can you just...
Need some help with that?
No, I'm cool. Just
Okay.
watch over it if you can.
Okay. I hope I don't burn the house.
Yeah, try not to because it's not my house, firstly.
You still smoke.
Evidently.
It's not good for health.
I know.
Counter de to.
I knew you'd ask.
I haven't smoked in a long time. So, which song are you playing?
Are you still obsessed with that?
No, you promised.
Oh, I completely forgot about the
No,
tea.
fuck the tea.
What do you mean?
Play a song.
You're gonna laugh your ass off.
No, I'm not. I promise I won't.
I've been out of practice for way too long.
You have the guitar, you have no excuse. Come on. I came all the way to listen. Come on. One song.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
আধারের বুকে রাখা এক হারানো রাতে কথা বৃষ্টির জলে আঁকা শুধু একটি রাতে ব্যথা The night keeps calling you and I in the rain. That night fire's fading, tears weep in vain. শুরুতে যদি শেষ তবে কেন কাছে আসা রাতে রেখে গেল রেশ অন্তহীন ভালোবাসা Your touch still feels warm though you are long gone. The rain and the walls, the montage plays on. That night keeps calling, my guitar plays along.
Somebody's gonna miss his flight.
I know. Hey,
Hey,
missed you.
and the flight.
Yeah.
Missed you too.